Hello and welcome to our tech channel. Today we are thrilled to present the vivo V30e, a smartphone that's as stylish as it is powerful. Let's explore what this device has to offer. The vivo V30e features an elegant design with a unique matte finish and a patterned glossy panel, giving it a premium look. The back houses a circular camera module that adds a touch of sophistication. Moving on to the display, the vivo V30e boasts a 6.67-inch curved AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of up to 1300 nits. The in-display fingerprint sensor provides quick and secure access to your device. Performance-wise, the vivo V30e is powered by the Snapdragon 6th Generation 1 chipset, ensuring seamless operation. It comes with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, offering plenty of space for all your needs. The camera setup includes a 50MP primary camera with optical image stabilization support and Lowlight, along with an 8MP ultrawide sensor. The primary camera performs exceptionally well, especially in low light conditions. For selfies, the vivo V30e sports a 50MP front camera that captures detailed and natural-looking photos. Battery life is impressive, with the vivo V30e packing a massive 5500 mAh battery with 44-watt charging support. This ensures you stay powered throughout the day. In conclusion, the vivo V30e is a well-rounded smartphone that checks most boxes for users looking for a combination of style, performance, and features. If you're in the market for a new phone, the vivo V30e is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more tech reviews and updates. Stay tuned for more exciting content.